Alright, here we have a 2003 GMC Sierra. It came into our shop and complaining that it wouldn't start every once in a while. The customer did his own diagnosis and said that it was a theft module. Well, after installing a bypass the customer purchased himself, it still would only turn over and not start. Sometimes it wouldn't turn over. Now, as you can see, every time that you get in, everything seems to be alright on it. And it starts up every time now. And idles perfectly with no issues. Now, the reason that it had the issues that it did was due to a common problem on these. And this guy parks in a field where there's a lot of mice, which could be part of it. But what you end up having to do is there's a ground, as you can see right here, and you have to actually, I pulled this one up and it was completely in two, but you have to actually rewire it and put it to a new ground onto the cylinder head. Now, when this ground is broken or a ground is not making good connection in these particular trucks, as I actually have a car that I've swapped a motor in, this very mobile, the 6.0 version of this motor, and grounds are everything. And when the ground wasn't working correctly, the gauges would go away, it would lose the gear indicator, and the parking lots would stay on, you could hear things running, and it does all kinds of weird shit. So, if you have a GMC Sierra or Silverado that's having those kind of issues, the fix that you would be looking for is probably that ground, which is right behind the passenger side cylinder head. Anyway, hopefully this saves people a lot of headaches.